How to fix Apple ID has not been used in iTunes Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you fix your Apple ID that has not been used in your iTunes Store. So first of all, go to your phone settings and open your Apple ID on your iPhone. Scroll down and go to your media and purchases. Click on it and tap on password settings, then tick on always require the password. Now again, open media and purchases and click on new account. Here put your Apple ID and password and then continue. On this page, click on country and select a country that you are a resident of and then agree on few terms and conditions. Now if you ever want to purchase any apps from the Play Store, then simply complete the payment method info including all of your personal details. Now finally open your App Store and click on your profile and scroll down and click on sign out. Then again sign into your Apple ID in your App Store. This is how you can fix the Apple ID has not been used in the iTunes Store. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.